Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 is not even 1 year old, and the company is already working on a successor, set to launch as a Redmi Note 8. The latest Xiaomi smartphone is promised to come with powerful specs and higher camera megapixels. Without further ado, we take a look at upcoming Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro concept, leaks, rumors. Do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for latest updates. Redmi Note 8 Pro comes with a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus display with 19.5:9 aspect ratio, while the 3.5mm headphone jack, a microphone hole, speaker and the USB Type-C port can be at the bottom. The Redmi Note 8 Pro also equipped with in-display fingerprint sensor for the authentication. Another big feature of Redmi Note 8 Pro could be MediaTek Helio P70 Edge processor. The new chip brings several performance optimizations with a special focus on gaming features. Redmi Note 8 Pro is also said to be the first mid-range gaming focused smartphone from Xiaomi. It will be featured Android 9 Pie, same operating system as the Note 7 Pro. It also has an octa-core processor that clocks up to 2.05 GHz. Further, it offers an excellent graphics, while a 6GB or 8GB of RAM handles a smooth functioning. For storage, it houses 128GB or 256GB internal storage that can be further expanded up to 512GB with the help of microSD card. Moreover, it packs a Li-ion battery having 4500 mAh battery capacity. Further, it also has the quick charge 5.0 support that can refill the battery in a short duration. In terms of camera, the smartphone has 64 megapixel, 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel triple rear camera that offers impressive photography experience. At the front, a 32 megapixel lens clicks mesmerizing selfie pictures. Redmi Note 8 Pro price in India is expected to be 19,000, which is $300 and 14,000 Filipino peso. Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro expected to be launched on September 2019. Thank you for watching. Do share this video with your family and friends. See you in the next one.